Hi and welcome back to my channel. This is Rob Menghini from Lowborn Classic Vehicles. This is my new stunning 1972 Gilera 50 Trials. I had one a couple of years ago and sold it. It was in red, bright red, and I regretted it ever since, but I come across this one which has been fully restored. Its original colour as well, that beautiful cherry red metallic. It's a proper moped with the pedals, the most desirable one to have. The quality and finish is second to none. It's been completely restored to concourse condition. I'll just show you around the bike and I'll fire it up in a minute to let you hear it. It's absolutely a little beauty. I'll walk round to show you. Stainless spokes, a polished engine, paintwork is sublime. It's only done 700 miles since the restoration, or just over. As you can see, it's just beautiful, and everything works. The lights, the brake light, the high beam, the low beam, the kill switch, which is very unusual for these Italian machines. So I'll fire it up. I just turned the fuel on. Won't need no choke because I fired it up a minute ago. So basically you just lift the pedal up slightly and there we go. Lights work, brake lights. Oh, it's lovely. It's so sweet. Put it on reserve. Need to stick it on reserve because there isn't a lot of fuel. Yeah, thought that would happen. There's no fuel in it, but never mind. So there we have it. 1972 Gilera 50 Trials. Quite a rare bike now. One for my collection. Thanks for looking. Please subscribe and like the video, as there will be plenty more to come. Cheers.